That's right, G is back with me, and we're going back to that place where we got caught in the snow, because over there we have our tarps. We're deep in the back country, bear country, and this is natural reserve, which means there is huge number of bears, wolves, and we just saw a small deer back there. This won't be a classic video that I do. This is gonna be a bit more bushcraft, since it's been a while since I did that. I kind of missed it, and today is just a perfect opportunity to do that. So I have some gear with me: bushcraft knife, an axe, and that should be nice. Now we have to find the place where we were last time here. We're searching for that fallen tree that we saw last time. Should be somewhere around here. Okay, we found it. And this was the only time that we didn't use that method for leave no trace, because there was a huge snowstorm and we had to run because of our car. So everything is here. We forgot that aluminum foil. Now we have to demontage that and create a new shelter. So let's see what we can do. Well, we have all kind of animals around here in our tarps. Is he alive? Oh, hello. And here's another one. G is placing his tarp to dry out. Now I'm gonna place mine to this tree here. This place is just beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna make some kind of a small shelter, and we're gonna make one bench. We're gonna sleep on a bench and inside of a shelter, and we don't need big roof since tonight there will be no rain, and if it does rain we have our tarps. Right now we're moving this stuff away because over here we found some scorpions and all kind of nasty creatures, so we want to make them leave. Check how big this tree was. Look at this ant nest. It's just huge. Hello guys. We finished our benches, our chair, and over there we're gonna light a fire. Now just in case the heavy rain comes, we have tarp shelter over here so I can sleep inside. Main plan is to sit over there. We have a bench so we can sleep over there if you want, but it's gonna be a nice night so you're gonna have a long talk, since last time G was with me was around 2 months ago. Right, so let's get the fire going. Okay, we have a new silk Bachko Laplander. Open it up. Check this out. Nice and new. To start the fire, I'm gonna use this solid fuel tablet. Just gonna make a little bit of this powder here. I'm very lazy to go around, to scatter around to see can I find some natural materials. So I'm gonna use this, simple as this, like this. Nice. Now to cook lunch, I'm gonna use this aluminum canteen with this small pot. It's very cool, and you get this sheath for it. Nice. Yeah, that's not. Well, that smells very nice. Now I want to thank you guys first of all for passing 15,000 subscribers. It's really a huge thing, and for all of you who are new, I wanted to join this family by clicking somewhere around here, if I'm not wrong. And actually it's over here on this watermark, and just become one of our survival family. For all of you who are old, who knows G, at this day of upload it's his birthday, so make sure you go down there in the comments, wish him happy birthday. And that's simply it. Make sure you like this vid, share it if you want, and make sure you just comment. It really helps a lot. And we came here just to celebrate his birthday and passing 15k subscribers. It's really a big thing. Now the ambient here is birds singing, it's just very clear sky. This forest is beautiful, smokes really loves me. It's just time to enjoy. I'll show you one very simple way to wash your pot, and it lays in that over there, moss of course. First thing first, we need a little bit to take off, and that's a good thing about rainforest. Floor is always wet. Now let's see how the moss do the job. Or simply just take it and just rub it on the moss. And this is the main reason why I don't like that pine as firewood. It's very messy, it's very sticky because of the resin inside. So you have much longer job to clean your stuff around here. The moss is really a versatile plant to use. Now, one great thing about the moss is you can use it to cover your wounds in case you don't have any stereo compress, and it's just awesome. You can also wash your hands, you can wash yourself in case you don't have any water and you're a few days in the nature. You can cook on it, you can do all kind of stuff with it. So you can cover the food, you can cover even shelter with it. And one of my friends said, he's probably watching this video right now, they should give the Nobel Prize to the guy who invented the moss. Check all of these surroundings here. It's just hiker's paradise. So that's it for today, guys. Also make sure that you check revolutionrace.com. They sponsor me in gear, and you can see all the wear on G, myself. It's all sent by Revolution Race. As always, I'll see you next time, and make sure you check some of these two vids near my head, and have a nice week. See you guys next time.
Aj bacaj, da nešto radi.